Today, October 20th, 2025, the US unexpectedly experienced a huge AWS outage, and no one knows why. But in order to know why this happened, today we're going to learn what are some things that cause an AWS outage. DNS domain, name system errors. One day, you decided to search up Amazon.com, similar to asking a taxi driver to take you to MCDONALDS. Because the taxi driver doesn't know where it is, he uses Google Maps to get there. This is similar to how the computer uses the DNS to find the address of Amazon.com. But if the taxi driver's GPS is constantly failing, he will never know how to get there. Same thing if DNS fails, the computer will not be able to take you to Amazon.com's IP address. Network connectivity failure. To get to the McDonald's/server, the taxi driver will have to take any possible route/roads the GPS is pointing out. Just like how the computer will use any possible network connection, router, or cable to get to the server the DNS told it to. If all possible roads, tunnels, or bridges are closed to get to that McDonald's, the taxi will not arrive. Same thing if all possible cables, routers, or network connections are damaged or blocked. Even though the computer knows where to go, there's no way to get there. Configuration or software deployment errors. But let's say the roads are clear. The taxi has to follow the rules, our system of driving on the road, which are the lights, intersections, pavements, and signs. Similarly, a computer must follow protocols and systems to communicate over cables, routers, or network connections. But if the city government suddenly changes the system on how to navigate the road, you will get lost. Same thing with software update errors. If the update changes the way the connections communicate, the computer will lose reaching the server capacity or resource saturation. But let's also say you had no problem and arrived at McDonald's. The McDonald's only has a limit to how many people can visit and stay at McDonald's. Same way with the Amazon.com server. There will only be a certain number of users on the same server. But suddenly you see millions of people arriving and cramming inside one McDonald's. The building explodes due to pressure. Exactly the same with the Amazon.com server. If let's say 1 billion people hop on the same Amazon.com server, the whole page crashes. Even though people have no idea why this happened, I hope you learned a thing or two about why this could have happened. Amazon's outage really impacted everyone's lives, especially the internet. So if the next time someone tells you the news about the AWS outage, you are ready to intelligently spread your wisdom on its big juicy buns.
Plug. Plug. Plug.